Hey there, I'm Simon, and I'm here to show you how to use the new updated version of Phish. Phish is a one-of-a-kind email analysis tool that incorporates training for end users when interacting with real and simulated phishing attempts. With this simple tool, a well-trained user can become a superhuman firewall. Now, let's try it out on some real emails. First, I'll select a suspicious email from my inbox. Then I click the Phish email analysis button here on my toolbar, and we're off to the races. Phish will also work on mobile devices, as well as on the web version of email. Phish performs a scan of this email and tells me that this is not a phishing simulation, but if it were a simulation sent from my company, I have the opportunity to earn back some lost points on my employee secure score if I had fallen for previous simulations. But this was not a simulation, so I'll click Next, and Phish will take a more granular look at this email, breaking down the results into the categories Sender, Links, Attachments, and Message. For each of these categories, I can open this drop-down menu and review a short training video specific to that topic. Also, I can view any important alerts that were discovered with more details within the email. And if I'm still feeling unsure about this email, I can use this button at the top to send a quarantined version of this email to IT for additional analysis with just one click. Now, let's go back to the original email and try out the Phish security training option from the Phish dropdown. We start on the menu bar just as before, but now we select Phish security training. It looks like my employee secure score could use some work, so let's click on Go to Training. And here we have all these options for training right at my fingertips. And now you're all set to become a superhuman firewall. Stay aware and keep training.